Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I got the luxury to tune a 2018 Gixxer 1000R. I like that they come with the up and down shift. That's always a bonus. On my 1701, I got the year right before they did that, so I missed out. A year too soon, man. Gixxer ride pretty amazing. I always like riding Gixxers. They just, for some reason, I don't know if it's the seat, the position, or whatever, but they always seem more comfortable riding to me than any of the other sports bikes. It's just like they just, I don't know, like somebody at the design table was like, you know what? Let's put a little bit of extra comfort in this thing, you know? Because on my R1M, it's like somebody just said, you know what? Comfort is not our, you know, what's comfort? And then they just rolled that baby out on the assembly line. That R1M, man, is very uncomfortable, but I love that bike. That's my baby. Make my first round of adjustments, man, and I'm gonna have to tell homie he need to get a shorter kickstand. This be sketching me out, man. Let me unplug my equipment so this won't be draining the battery.
Nice bike, man. What year is that?
Appreciate it. 2018?
18?
Yep. It's not my bike, but I definitely appreciate the compliment. This is my little temporary seat I be having whenever I'm getting on bikes, because I always have to put my equipment down, and a lot of times the seat don't fit. So this is just a good compromise. Oh, thank you. Oh, I don't need no candy, man. Dang, bro, I be wanting to get so much candy, but I know I don't need to be eating candy, because I'm like a kid. I just get some and don't never stop eating it. Oh, they got a simpler lemonade, but it's so small, man. This is like supposed to be fun size. I need a bigger size than that, man. This one's a little different than the one I usually go to. So see, they got some egg rolls over here. Orange chicken taquito. I like living on the wild side. I'll give it a try. I'll just grab one just in case, even though it looks like an egg roll. Give me a bag of chips, and we're gonna call it a day for right now. Oh snap. I'm gonna smash this real fast, and then we'll get back to our scheduled programming. Man, that Gixxer looking real nice. Alright, so I made some adjustments to the Gixxer. These bikes, just like a lot of other bikes, they go open, the throttle bodies go open to about 100% in the mid-range, and then once they get up top, they just completely just shut down. On this one, the throttle shut down to around like 6 to 8% up top. Take it down to the Mexico Autobahn. I gotta get some top end pulls now. I did a lot of the cruising and getting air fuel mixture together, getting the gas mileage, you know, the optimal air to fuel ratio. Got the cruising all nice and good. the right amount of fuel to have enough power, but not too much to where we're just burning unnecessary gas. You know, we gotta keep that MPG there, you know. There's always accidents right here because people always run this light all the time. I ain't seen so many accidents right here. So where it all starts and begins, baby. See if I can get a little bit of exhaust action. All right, so like I said, I made changes. Everything is pretty good. I'm just doing the final steps I like to do, which is with the wide open throttle, and I'm gonna take y'all on the ride for that. Pull over, let this traffic clear up, and then I'm gonna go out and do probably first do like 4th or 5th gear. Oh man, they was merging off. I could have got on there. Alrighty. Pretty good. Yeah, she's doing pretty good. I'm gonna do 2nd gear this time so I can get wide open. Moving damn good. Find somewhere to pull over so I can go and check the data, make sure everything is good. I restricted the throttle on here to 80%, just from like the bottom part of it, because the last time the guy was on it, when we was out testing, he just was wheeling all over the place. So now it has a strap. I don't have it strapped right now, but it has a strap on it now, and hopefully with reducing the throttle a little bit, it'll help him kind of keep it more tame to at least get out of 1st gear. And you know, because 1st gear, depending on how that goes, that can be the end of the race before it even gets started. You know, this bike is the same. There's nothing done. Only difference between this bike and my bike is this bike has a full system on it, and I just got a slip on. But just riding it and comparing it to how my bikes feel versus how this bike feels, this bike feels strong, man. It feels just as strong, if not stronger. And obviously I don't have nobody to compare it to right now. I'm just going off of my butt dyno, but it feels pretty strong, man. I'm just curious to see how it runs with everybody. So we're definitely gonna have to put together a little race day to see what this baby can do before and after the tune. We've seen what it does before, but now we can see what it does all tuned up and unrestricted. So should be pretty dope comparison to see. I don't know if it's just the feel of it or what, but it feels like it runs harder up top compared to my bike. Well, speaking of bikes, I guess I'll give an update on the Turbo R6. I'm still doing that. It's just that I've been getting slammed with work, and as a lot of you know, I work by myself, so it puts me in, you know, I can only work so fast. But yeah, that project, I cannot wait to ride up the streets in that thing. That's gonna be crazy, man. Riding around on a Turbo R6, stock wheelbase, baby. But that project is, I bought a bandsaw, and there's a few other things that I got. So I'm gonna make an update video on that pretty soon. I got a lot more moto vlogs coming too. Got some events and some other little fun stuff that's coming up as well, so that should be pretty interesting, new and different for the channel, considering I've been neglecting the channel for a while now. I just now started back kind of really somewhat posting frequently. So once I clear all these bikes out that I have at the shop, you know, I'm gonna do things a little bit more differently than what I've been doing, and get back more concentrated on my content and stuff. Cause I like doing the shop stuff, but I like doing the content stuff first. Like all the, more I should say, all the traveling and going different places and meeting different people. You know, I like doing that. So I'm gonna concentrate more on that. And getting new people on the channel. I need like an assistant or something. Gixxer is a nice bike, man. I really enjoy tuning it. I wish they would have put more color in the display though. Like if this was colorful, this would be a dope dash. And this is the R version, so it does come with the quick shifter and the LED strip and a few little other things that the other Gixxer don't have. For the most part, it's still the same bike, but you know, it's just a little bit of different forks, different little tweaks here and there. But you gotta love the auto blimp. Going up and down is it just makes riding just so much more fun and crisp. And this baby right here is slammed too, so it's ready for, you can see the forks. This baby is definitely ready for some racing action, that's for sure. Hopefully by the end of this year I can switch my shop location, because I like the pricing and the lease term and stuff that I have, but I honestly just hate the location. So hopefully I can move from over here and get a different setup. Well, that's about it, folks. I didn't really have much to talk about. I just wanted to just take y'all on a ride with this Gixxer, getting this tuning in. But until next time, I'll catch up with y'all